Dripped the weather from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Corian. If you're new, we're in the house on a Saturday, just with our scarf on, a little t-shirt on, not doing anything, and then we got plans. We got invited somewhere. So, girl, I need a quick throw-on wig. I just got one delivered in the mail, so this came perfectly. Let's go ahead and open her up. Our wig is in a black bag. Okay, this is what our packaging looks like. Ooh. This is our unit. This is a bob wig. Now, I have a blonde bob wig, but I don't have a black one. So I'm so happy to have a black, you know, everybody need a little black throw-on in her collection. So this is the Brazilian Virgin Silk Straight Blunt Cut Bob 12-inch natural medium size. And it has a 5x5 HD lace. HD lace is perfect. It says it's a bob, but this is actually giving like my natural hair length. Ooh, this is gonna be perfect. Okay, it is a closure. Now what I can say is, while this, it is pre-bleached. So it is pre-bleached, I can say that. So okay, we don't really have to do much to it. I was gonna say we're gonna have to do something to it, but we don't gotta do much. We don't gotta do much. I'm gonna take off my scarf and let's see how this looks straight out the box. Y'all, it's looking like the length of my natural hair. It's perfect. I thought it was gonna be like a short bob, but I'm not mad at this like natural length. This is what she's looking like straight out of the box. And we are gonna have to do a little bit to her to make her look natural and just give us all the vibes. Like maybe I need to pull it back a little bit, Jayla. Pull it back a little bit. We're gonna have to do a little bit of something.
I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bea making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Drip the weather from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them. Be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them. Be my rider. All gas. No way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not.
Okay, y'all, I feel like I didn't let this side dry enough. Like, it definitely needs to dry more. But I did go ahead and take the flat iron. I literally just did a few passes like this. A few passes like that to make sure it was flat, and this is our 12-inch wig that looks like my natural hair. This is about the length of my natural hair. Let me show y'all from this side. You know, just a nice natural length. She's cute. She's an everyday. This is the work wig. I guess the bob comes into play. Like if I put all of the hair, well, no, yeah. Just make sure I got all the pieces. Let's put some earrings on. Do we need to go with our Jaylas? Jayla. Yeah, I haven't worn these in a while. Put some earrings on. It's a little warm outside, so I'm thinking like the warmth can just dry the top part of my hair. I'm just not gonna touch it. I've been needing a wig like this that's just natural, everyday, regular shemegla unit. My natural hair density is about this density. Like it is laying just like my natural hair. My natural hair is not like super thick, so that's probably why I'm like thoroughly enjoying this wig even more. And then put it all to the back. I love it. Oh my god. So guys, this is where I got my unit from. I'm going to have this hair company in the description box just in case you're interested in this wig. This wig is the perfect like everyday natural hair work wig. You know, like every day is not a bust down long wig day. Like some days you need this one. So if you want to have this one in your collection, I'll have it in the description box. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I can't wait to show you my next hairstyle, but we're rocking this for now. All right, bye guys.
We really ready.